What's up, everybody? So I got a package in the mail the other day. I alluded to it on Instagram, if you're following me there. If you're not, you should be, because I do that a lot. But I got a fun package in the mail the other day, and this video is coming to you in 4K. I hope you appreciate how much effort that's going to take on my part. But it came from Blackland razors. Shave it up! And if any of you have been following Blackland for the last little while, I apologize about the kids in the background. But if any of you have been following Blackland for a while, you know that they have a new razor coming out. It is called the Vector. And I was just thrilled when Shane reached out to me and said, hey, I'd like you to try out the Vector. Let me know your thoughts. And I got it in the mail the other day. I didn't make a video about it because I don't have any blades. But I thought, I'm too excited. I'm busting with anticipation about this. I have blades. They're coming in the mail tomorrow. So I'll finally get to shave with it tomorrow. But give you a little, let's see, what's the word? Notice here that the box, the foam insert, doesn't actually fit the Vector right now. He didn't have any in stock before he sent it to me. So ignore that fact. But yes, this is a thing of beauty. So, cool thing about it. I pulled this out the other night and showed it to my wife, and first of all, her first reaction was just like, oh my gosh, that's gorgeous. So, really cool thing about it. Tiny, tiny profile head. Most of the Feather Artist Club style SEs have a huge head. Huge. And this isn't. That is a feat in itself, but I'll tell you how he did it. So, cool thing about Shane, he likes doing new things, and he did the same thing with the Vector that he did with the Saber, only turned it 90 degrees. So you'll notice here that the post that the handle screws onto is just a little rectangle, but it's threaded on either side so that the post can go on. But because he did that, this little thing, my handle's gonna roll away on the counter there. This can go through the blade. There's usually a little hole in the middle of your Feather Artist Club blades. And so you can utilize that hole, hold it in place, and get to town and have a tiny head. My biggest complaint with a lot of the Feather Artist Club style razors was it was too heavy to use on my head on a regular basis because it felt like I was getting a workout. I'm excited to use this. But anyway, I haven't used it yet. As you can see, I'm saving up. I have blades on order. They're coming in tomorrow, and I'm looking forward to doing a shave with it. But for now, there you go. That's your first look, my first look. Well, not really. I opened it the other night. I was too excited. But I'm excited about this. It looks awesome. I'm sure it's going to shave very, very well. And excited to do it. So stay on the lookout. I'll have another video coming out soon with my review or reactions to the actual Vector with a blade in it once I shave with it. So anyway, thanks for watching, everybody. Be smooth, shave it up. We'll see you next time. Find me on Facebook, Instagram, Google+. Well, actually, Google+ is dying now, so I can't really say that anymore. Twitter, and all that stuff's in the links down below. But see ya.